Tips for helping your child handle their anger. One of the best things you can teach your child is how to manage their anger safely. It's a key aspect of developing emotional intelligence and one that will stand them in good stead throughout their life. As children's brains develop, they gradually gain more control over their emotions, and they will learn patterns of behavior, including positive anger management. Here are some tips on helping them learn to manage their anger. 1. Model the behavior you want to see. Your kids will take their cue from their parents. You can choose to teach them impatient, explosive ways of dealing with anger, or you can show them how to manage conflict honestly and openly. 2. Stay calm. Yelling at an angry child to stop will just make things worse by adding more angry emotions to the mix. As a parent, your job is to stay calm and restore calm. Create some space so the situation can be resolved. 3. Acknowledge the bad feelings. You need to acknowledge that your child is angry and upset and that those feelings are okay. Encourage your child to tell you why they're upset. Don't put a lid on those emotions. Talking allows the feelings to come out as words instead of screaming or hitting and helps to diffuse the anger. 4. Give your child skills. You need to show your child how they can manage their angry feelings in the moment. Have a list of safe ways to be mad on the fridge or pantry door. Work on it together when everyone is calm, so there is shared ownership of the actions. Some actions include dancing or stamping their feet or clapping their hands. They can give themselves a hug to stop the hitting impulse. Older children can write down or draw what they're feeling. Make sure you notice when your child is using one of these techniques. Notice and acknowledge their feelings and praise them for constructively managing their anger. 5. Set boundaries. Acknowledging anger is one thing, but children need to know that it's not okay to act on their anger in destructive or hurtful ways. Tell your angry kid that you see their anger, but they are not allowed to hurt. 6. Stay with your angry child. Don't send your kids to time out or to their room to calm down. The upset child needs to feel safe and accepted and loved. They need to know that the parent-child bond isn't broken by bad or uncomfortable feelings. Whatever happens, to end any conflict with a hug and reassurance.